Stretch them. I'm dead. I died. It's okay. It's just how it happens when you have doll joints sometimes. They just, you know, they just like rub against each other and then stuff happens. Okay, I'm fine. I'm fine. I didn't die. I didn't actually die.